If you assume bigger is always better in a fight, you're missing half the equation. In close quarters, maneuverability, speed, and controllability often matter more than sheer size. Today we're exploring the smallest shotguns that still deliver serious stopping power. Options that won't slow you down in tight hallways, stairwells, or cramped living rooms. I'll walk you through each model's strengths, weaknesses, ideal ammo, and practical tips for using them safely and effectively at home. If you want more tactical gear breakdowns, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And if you've got experience with any of these guns, drop your thoughts in the comments. Number 1, the tiny powerhouse, SS211 Mini Over. Under. The SS211 is small in stature but polished in purpose. With a 10-inch barrel and a featherlight feel around 4.5 pounds, it's built for users who want a smooth, instinctive shot without lugging a full-size firearm. The gun breaks down quickly. Remove the barrel for compact storage, making it ideal for emergency kits or vehicles. Practical tip: run 1.75-inch mini shells for reduced recoil and reliable cycling. The double-thickness butt pad helps keep the gun comfortable during consecutive shots, which matters when nervous shooters tense up. This model excels for a homeowner who wants a reliable, low-maintenance defensive tool that's friendly to newcomers. Recommended loadout: mini buckshot for close quarters defense, a few birdshot rounds for training to keep recoil low while practicing. Number 2, the classic reimagined Henry Axe .410 lever action. This lever action .410 is part art piece, part functional tool. The Henry Axe gives you old-school charm with modern reliability. The axe handle allows a unique hold that some users find intuitive for point-and-shoot scenarios in confined spaces. Tactical note: its side gate loading and smooth lever work make fast follow-up shots possible with practice. While it's not a long-range powerhouse, the close-in performance is solid, and the psychological effect of a loud, authoritative lever action can't be discounted. Training tip: practice reloads from the side gate and practice slings or thigh rig carry drills so transitions are smooth in high-stress moments. Recommended loadout: 410 buckshot or slugs for maximum effect. Keep a few light rounds for dry fire training and muscle memory. Number 3, the street legend Mossberg 590 Shockwave. The Mossberg Shockwave is short, aggressive, and widely recognized. The 410 Shockwave variant is an excellent compromise for shooters who want less recoil but retain defensive pattern density. Its bird's head grip shortens the overall package while remaining controllable. Practical tip: practice moving through thresholds with an unloaded Shockwave to understand balance and clearance. For vehicle storage, always follow local laws and safe storage practices. Ammo note: while .410 spreads faster from short barrels, 12 Aruroge remains superior for stopping power if you can handle the recoil and legal constraints. Recommended loadout: .410-3. Buckshot for close home defense. Consider low recoil 12 gauge if you need more stopping power and can train with it. Number 4, the revolver shotgun hybrid Solen Arms SR410. The SR410 is a delightful oddball with real tactical merit. A 5-shot revolving cylinder in 410 gives you rapid access to multiple rounds and straightforward reloading mechanics that many shooters already understand thanks to revolvers. Practical considerations: the SR410's cylinder design reduces the need for speed loaders, but training on indexed reloads will pay dividends. Its single-action mode gives a lighter, crisper pull when precision matters. Double action offers quick follow-ups. Ballistic note: don't underestimate 410 slugs. They deliver significant muzzle energy and can be highly effective at close range. Recommended loadout: mix slugs and buckshot depending on scenarios. Practice using both single and double action firing modes. Number 5, the tactical dream, Genesis Arms Gen-12 PDS. For shooters wanting AR ergonomics with 12-gauge power, the Gen-12 PDS is a compelling pick. Its 5-inch reciprocating barrel and recoil management design help reduce muzzle blast and felt recoil that traditionally ruins short 12-gauge setups. Practical setup: mounting a red dot, EOTech style, gives instant target alignment in CQB. The PDW stock makes it compact for storage while preserving a solid cheek weld for accurate follow-ups. Safety note: When using short-barreled shotguns or pistol format shotguns, know your local laws regarding barrel length and overall configuration. Recommended loadout, 234, 12 Hamaga buckshot for max stopping power. Keep training rounds at hand for indoors practice to manage recoil. Number 6. The bullpup tank, IWI TS12. The IWI TS12's headline feature is massive capacity in a bullpup layout. 3 rotating tubes give you an enormous onboard loadout, ideal for scenarios where capacity and reduced reloads matter. Operational tips. Tube rotation is manual and becomes intuitive with repetition. Practice switching tubes under a timer to build speed. The gas system equals smoother recoil performance for heavier 12-ga loads. Ergonomics note. Bullpups shift weight rearward. Spend time on presenting the gun from a low-ready position so your cheek weld and sight picture are consistent. Recommended loadout, mixed tubes, one with buckshot, one with slugs, and one with less lethal or reduced recoil rounds depending on household needs. Number 7, the dual-tube king, Kel-Tech KSG. The Kel-Tech KSG is the quintessential compact capacity shotgun. Dual tubes let you load different payloads and switch between them instantly. That versatility is a huge tactical edge. Switch to slugs for a precise shot, then flip to buckshot if a spread is preferable. Maintenance note. Keep the magazine tubes clean and practice the manual tube selector. Early owners reported quirks, but current models are generally robust. Practical tip. Because of the KSG's unique ergonomics, run dry drills to build indexing and speed. Experiment with different loads in each tube to find a configuration that suits your household. Recommended loadout, alternate tubes with buckshot and slugs. Keep a training tube with low recoil loads for practice. Training, safety, and legal considerations. Owning a compact defensive shotgun comes with responsibility. Here's a quick checklist to keep you safe and effective. Know your laws. Short-barreled shotguns in certain configurations may be restricted. Confirm local regulations before you buy or modify. Safe storage. Store firearms unloaded and locked, with ammunition stored separately. Consider quick access safes if family safety is a concern. Train for stress. Practice reloads, transitions, and shooting on the move. Live fire practice should be supplemented with dry fire and scenario drills. Choose ammo wisely. Buckshot is usually best for home defense. Slugs offer penetration and precision, but require awareness of over-penetration risks in shared walls. Less lethal rounds exist, but have limitations. Mind your environment. Tight rooms, pets, and bystanders change engagement choices. Always prioritize de-escalation and non-lethal options when possible. Practical loadouts and final buying tips. If you want quick recommendations, compact and friendly SS211 or Mossberg 410, low recoil, easy handling. Classic with flair, Henry Axe, unique, fun, reliable for short-range defense. Tactical and modern, Genesis Gen-12 or SR410 for users who want modern ergonomics and 12-gauge performance. Capacity and versatility, IWI TS12 or Kel-Tech KSG, for those who value high round count and flexible load options. When shopping, handle each gun if possible. Comfort, ability to index sights, and how you move with the gun matter as much as statistics on paper. Small shotguns can be lethal, practical, and surprisingly elegant. The right choice comes down to comfort, training, legal compliance, and the specific defensive needs of your home. Which model matches your style? Tactical efficiency, old-school swagger, or high-capacity dominance? Tell us which one you choose in the comments. If you like this expanded breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more gear deep dives, and share this video with someone who's shopping for home defense options. Stay safe, train responsibly, see you in the next video.